Today's lesson, identifying quartiles. The median of a data set divides the data into two equal parts. The quartiles of a data set divides the data into four equal parts. The second quartile is what we've been calling the median of all of the data. The first quartile is the median or the middle of the lower half of the data. And the third quartile is the median or the middle of the upper half of the data. The first quartile can also be called the lower quartile, and the third quartile can be called the upper quartile. To find the quartiles, first cross off from each side to find the median, or the second quartile. In this data set, 9 is the second quartile. Then we're going to use the numbers on the lower side and cross off from both sides to find the middle there. The first quartile is 2. Then we're going to repeat using the upper half of the numbers. The upper quartile, the third quartile, is 20. So again, to identify the quartiles, first find the median of the entire data set. Remember, when you're finding the median, the numbers have to be listed in order from smallest to largest. This is the quartile 2, or the second quartile. Find the median of the lower half of the data set. This is quartile 1. Find the median of the upper half of the data set. This is the quartile 3. So to find the data set, first check to make sure your numbers are in order from smallest to largest. Then start by crossing off a number from each side until you find the middle. Remember, if you end up with 2 numbers in the middle, you add both those numbers together and then divide by 2 to find the middle of those numbers. In this case, we have a number directly in the middle, so our median, or quartile 2, is 6. Now we're going to cross off from the lower side. Cross off the 2, cross off the 5. Our quartile 1 is 4. Then do the same thing on the upper set of the quartiles. Our quartile 3 is 9. Complete this process again on the next 4 problems, and then submit a picture of the page for your classwork assignment.